All right, what's up, everyone? Today is May 12th, 2017, and it's been a long day. Um, all the tickers, they put me to work today. I think I traded every ticker in the damn NASDAQ. But to get started, I started off early morning at 6 a.m. with NAK. NAK came up on the scanner, and their news was that one of their companies they own finally came to an agreement with the EPA. Problem was that that news was already priced in. All this time, this thing's been trending higher and higher. It was based on that news. So even early morning, I was talking to one of our pups on Discord, and he was talking about NAK going long. And I went in short right before, so around 6:15 my time, and I told him this one kind of seems like to sell the news. And the only reason that I know about this one is that if you guys recall, I was shorting it on this day here when it had that big red bar, but ended up squeezing me pre-market. I think here I went in here and it squeezed me, so I already knew the news. What was going on with the news. So when that news came out and it was gapping up, I was like, no, this seems like it's gonna be a sell the news kind of deal. So I ended up going short. I think my first entry was at 241, and then it started going a little bit against me. I added more at 247, and then started almost kissing the resistance level. So I kind of had my finger in the trigger already to close it if it was to pop over 260. But then it just started kind of trending lower, knocked down the parabolic dot, and then right before the market opened, it just starts dropping. And I guess the woods that I ended up just covering here around 235 area. And look at all the profit that I left. I mean, it is what it is. My price target was at 234, which was the resistance here. But as you can see, it just basically did sell the news kind of deal. Overall, it was a good play. There's a lot of people who were looking to go long, but I ended up going short, and it worked out good. The other one that I went in was Shop. Shop is one of these earnings winners that's been trending higher and higher. This one I was actually looking at yesterday because it had a sell-off. I didn't get a chance to get in, but given that it held, it made me comfortable going in here. So I went in around $92. Could have sold up here, but I was trying to be patient. As you can see, I just kind of held through all this, and it was kind of building this channel. I ended up just getting out here. I was thinking going for a swing, but I think I'm just so mentally. I have a trader fatigue now. I just want to close all my positions. The other one I went in long was my small account. Thinkorswim was here at 2120, and the idea behind this one is that it was a breaking made a bull flag, and it's done it before. It did it here, so I'm pretty sure when it drops, it's gonna drop very nice. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this one for a short. As a matter of fact, I did end up shorting this one. I went long here, then I sold here. When I sold there, I ended up going short in my my IB account. As you can see, I already have my support level there. It held support, so I just let it go higher, and then I think I ended up just covering here for a small loss because it's green on the day and it's trending higher. So I just kind of got out the way. As you can see, I guess it was a good decision. The other one's NVDA. NVDA, I ended up going long for a swing here at 128.25. I was expecting a VWAP bounce just like it did yesterday because I caught it yesterday. So I was expecting the same thing, but as you can see, it just ended up selling off. And then when I noticed that I drew all my support lines, it was a nice pre-market after hours from yesterday's support. Trended higher, knocked down the parabolic dot. So I have about 3 confirmations. So I went here heavy with about 100 shares, and I ended up closing some of it here. I still have my other swing open from this area here. Smaller position, so I could just feel comfortable holding it. So I'm still holding that one for a swing. NVDA. The other one that I closed for my swing was MOH. It didn't do what I was expecting. It's making a bull flag on the daily too. I ended up going long here around this area. Let me see if I have it over here. Yeah. So a couple days ago, I ended up going long here. I was in profit. I thought it was gonna break out. Then I was in negative profit. Pretty much break even. I just want to close all my accounts. I mean, all my positions. The other one, shout out to my boy Billy. Every time he shorts it and covers, I go in for the long. But this one I actually been swinging long since the 22 area. Here I went in heavy, took some of the positions off here, and then I think I added here the next day. Must have been here around this area. So I've been holding, and I was kind of waiting for the breakout, but at the same time, like I said, I just want to close all my positions. So I might be able to go in again, maybe get a little dip buy off $24 and look for that breakout because it's still holding trend as you can see here on the daily. So that's WTW ARRY. I just closed this one. I took a loss. This one trending higher. I had this. What I was expecting this to do is that it's kind of holding this trend, so I went in short here. I was expecting this to come and retrace this trend here, kiss it, and then just bounce from there. But as you can see, it was just holding. So I went here based on the indicators. Based off the indicators when there, I was in profit. It starts going against me. I added more here because my stop loss was at 845. But then I guess I started drawing some trends and it was kind of holding higher, and I just ended up just getting out here. You could call it trader fatigue, but in either case, I'll take my small loss and we'll come and play it again. The other one that was giving me a hard time was EXAS. EXAS, I ended up going long for a swing here. Same thing. It's making a bull flag on the daily, so I was looking for that breakout. Yesterday didn't happen. I was concerned here at around this area, 33.50. I was anticipating buying. I missed my dip buy because it was holding. It hold twice. So I missed it. And when I was looking at this, it did the same thing, almost similar up to this hour. So I ended up adding more here. I added a lot more, and I ended up just closing some here, and I closed my swing here. I just closed it a couple minutes ago. I averaged down, so I guess in overall, I'm not sure if I just a break even because I added down here. I added heavier down here, but in any case, those have been my plays. I do still have a couple swings open with my small account, but other than that, that's it. Those are my plays, and let's start fresh again Monday. Right now, I'm just tired because I've been working all day on EXAS, ARRY, and NAK. In any case, I'll talk to you guys later.